VR1, how much I have got it? Earlier, VR1 I have got it 5 point. VR1, how much I have got it? 5.4 or something else. What I have got? Let me just check. VR1 I have got 6.4. Suppose with 6.4 centimeter. I measure it. VR1 I have got it 6.4 centimeter. Now, what will be the VR2 now? What will be the VR2? Because VR2 is equal to 0.8 into VR1. So that means now VR1 will be how much? It will be multiplied by 0.4. That means 0.8 into 6.4. So okay. 6.4. Yes. Blades, so blades. I have manufactured, exactly. I have manufactured the blades. I have manufactured the blades. Angle can change. Angle to কোনো change করবে না. Because beta 1 and beta 2 depends on the manufacturing of the blades, not on the beta 2. Beta 2 cannot, VR2 cannot কমে গেছে. Why reduces? Due to friction. If there is a friction is there, suppose I am moving on a very rough surface. I ball through a rough surface and friction is very high. What will the velocity of the ball will gradually decrease, but the angle of the plane will not change. So this is the angle beta 1 and beta 2. This the angle depends on the manufacturing of the blades. Blades को जैसे डिजाइन कर लिया, manufacture कर लिया. So beta 1 and beta 2 cannot change. Only what can change? Due to the friction, the VR2 will be less. VR2, so this is the inlet, this is the VR1, this is the VR1, and this is the VR2. So angles are same, but VR2 why it is reducing? Due to friction. It has no connection with the angle beta 1 and beta 2. Beta 1 though manufactured जैसे किया, what I have manufactured, beta 1 and beta 2 remaining same. Okay. So there will not be change in the beta 1 because beta 1 and beta 2 depends on the blades, not on the frictions. So that's why this angle is same. But now VR2 has become less. So if you multiply by, so how much it will become? So it will become 5.2. Suppose it will become 5.2. 5.12 or 5.1. If you take 5.1, then what? Earlier I was taking VR1 6.4, this one also 6.4. But now it is not a 6.4, it will become 5.1. So this point will be my D point. Then I will join it. So this will be my E. So now you will see. So our now this inlet velocity triangle and outlet velocity triangle are not similar. They are different. Then what is the del BW? Del BW is same. Del BW, how will find out the del BW? Del BW is same. If I from this point, from A point, I will draw a vertical line, and this will be my del BW. I will measure it, and I will see. Earlier del BW was more. Now del BW has become less. Why? Due to friction, some power is lost. Del BW. Now you measure VA1 and you measure VA2. Both are not same. VA1 is more. You see that VA1 is more and VA2 is less. So that means in that cases there will be axial force. So PT is equal to m dot into del VA. So axial force will also generate. So due to roughness, what is happening? Due to the roughness, our blade velocity VR2 is becoming less, as a result of which we are getting less power and there will be the axial force also. But now if you have become asked find the power, then you will measure this distance. I will measure this distance. I will draw the inlet velocity triangle, outlet velocity triangle, and I will measure this distance. Similarly, I will multiply it by m dot. I will get the tangential force, and I will multiply it by the blade velocity. I will get the power. So okay. Same. Now let me do another problem. Another problem. Yeah. Okay. Then. Okay. Then let us finish it here. Okay. So. আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে ও হ্যাঁ বলো বলো জেনারেলি করা থাকে না and I'm saying you যদি if you find that দেখা যাচ্ছে যে অ্যানালিটিক্যালি if you do analytically করার সময় if you do the